Okay, now what is weighted area? Weighted area is nothing but just we have seen that area ADBA. So area of this ADBA or area flow ADBA, right? So that is nothing but, so how to determine that ADBA? So you can write in this manner also, area of sector OADBO. So this is sector OADBO, right? So area of that sector minus area of this triangle OAB or ABO, right? From this whole sector, if you minus this triangle ABO, so what you will get? Area ADBA, right? So you will get this ADBA, right? Now how to determine the area of sector OADBA? So there is a standard formula for the sector, right? Area of sector, right? So that is nothing but pi r square by 2 pi into that internal angle of that total angle of internal angle of that or deviation angle of that sector. That is nothing but this total angle, that is 2 theta. So please, this is a standard formula, pi r square by 2 pi into 2 theta minus what is the area of triangle ABU, right? So that is nothing but half into base. What is base? That is AB into height. That is, height is nothing but CO. This height of the triangle is how much? This CO, right? So we have to find out this AB and CO, right? Now to determine AB and CO, right? I will consider triangle OBC, right? Now, so before that, right? So in order to determine this triangle, sorry, this AB and CO, so what I will do? So just I will draw a perpendicular through this point O, or I will draw a perpendicular point through this point O, right, on this free surface B. So this perpendicular cut that free surface at a point C, right? Now so I will consider this OBC triangle OBC for calculating AB and CO, right? In triangle OBC, so this angle theta, right? I mean triangle OBC. Now what is sine theta? What is sine theta in triangle OBC? It is nothing but, right, BC divided by OB, right? That is nothing but sine theta is front side by hypotenuse. Now what is BC? That is no, it is not known. That is, it is not known, that we have to calculate. BC divided by OB. How much OB? OB is this radius, that therefore R, right? So therefore what? How much BC? BC is R into sine theta, right? So what is BC? R into sine theta. So therefore now what is AB? AB is nothing but 2 times BC. So therefore AB is equal to how much? 2 into R into sine theta, right? So therefore in same triangle, what is cos theta, right? That, so we have to determine CO also. What is cos theta? Adjacent side, that is OC by hypotenuse, that is OB, right? So now, so therefore what is OC? Okay, now what is OC from the triangle? So OC is equal to OB into cos theta, right? OB into cos theta. Now what is OB in this triangle, right? Now what is OB? OB is nothing but radius R, right? So therefore OC is equal to R into cos theta, right? Now we can find that weighted area. So what is weighted area? So weighted area is equal to, that area is equal to pi r square divided by 2 pi into 2 theta minus 1 by 2 into AB. Now how much is AB? AB is this much, 2r sine theta, just we have calculated, 2r sine theta into OC. Now what is OC or CO? That is r cos theta, right? So this much is how much, or this is the weighted area. So this 2 will cancel, right? So what is the remaining term? That is this pi will cancel. So r square by 2 will cancel. R square theta minus r square into sine theta into cos theta. Right, r square into sine theta into cos theta. Right. Okay. Now, so I will take this r square common. So r square into theta minus sine theta into cos theta. Right, sine theta into cos theta. Right. Now, so I will do some modification on in this. So r square into theta minus, so I will multiply this sine theta cos theta into by 2 and divide by 2. So this 2 will cancel. So the remaining term will be sine theta into cos theta. Right. So what is 2 into sine theta into cos theta? That is nothing but sine 2 theta. Right. So therefore r square into theta minus sine 2 theta by 2. Right. So r square into theta into sine 2 theta by 2. So this is your weighted area. Right. So how much it is? R square into theta minus sine 2 theta by 2. Okay. So this is your weighted area. Now we have calculated that weighted area and weighted perimeter. Now what is weighted perimeter? Weighted perimeter is nothing but 2r theta. What is hydraulic mean depth? Hydraulic mean depth is nothing but weighted area by weighted perimeter. Right. Now what is weighted area? Just we have calculated, that is r square theta minus sine 2 theta by 2 divided by that perimeter. How much is perimeter? That is 2r into theta. So this r and this square will cancel. Right. Now what is the remaining term? So hydraulic mean depth is equal to r by 2 theta minus sine 2 theta by 2. Okay. So this is your hydraulic mean depth. This is your area. Which area? Weighted area. Right. And this is your perimeter. Okay. Now we have calculated that hydraulic mean depth, weighted area and weighted perimeter. We can easily find out that flow through that circular channel. So that is our aim. Right. So what is discharge or flow? A into C into square root of m from Chazy's equation. Right. Now put in this equation that weighted area, hydraulic mean depth and find out the discharge. So therefore discharge equal to how much? Right. So you can put or you can calculate the discharge by using this equation. Right. So this is about what? Flow through the circular channel section. Okay. Thank you. Okay. So please, one thing is remaining. That theta is that theta is nothing but that angle. Right. So or that 2 theta is nothing but angle subtended by that free liquid surface, that is in radian. Please, this is a very important point. Theta is radian and this theta is that will be in degree. Right. So this is in degree, this is in radian. Right. So this is a very important problem. In order to solve the problems, we need this theta in radian and this is in a what? Or this theta is in a radian and this theta is in a angle. So degree. Right. So thank you.